Hi, I'm Geoff Hamilton, and I'm a PLM consultant at Engineering USA. I've been working at Engineering USA for 6 years at the Chicago office. I went to school at Miami University in Oxford, Ohio, and I studied engineering management with a manufacturing specialty. My expertise is in manufacturing, and I work a lot with the PLM products, the DNC, and tooling management. So the solutions that we deliver are meant to help our customers increase quality and streamline their processes. My favorite thing about working at Engineering USA is working with many different customers throughout many different industries, such as the consumer product goods, medical device, and aerospace and defense. My first project at Engineering USA was to implement a tool management system at a leading aerospace and defense customer. We implemented a new system to connect the customer's CNC machines to the tool inventory system to track the tool life and locations of the tools. Some of my favorite social activities at Engineering USA have been going to Second City to see a comedy show, going snowboarding, camping, and having a pig roast as a PLM team dinner. In the next few years, I hope to continue to develop my skills and continue to deliver top-tier solutions to my customers. If you're interested in joining our team, visit www.engusa.com/careers.